Welcome to Ridhvej Finance. Dear viewers, we have promised to you that we will give it to you surprises on this 29th of December, but we have changed our plan, and in that case we will gives you not a surprises. We are going to start Crypto Blush is our new channel for to predict about the crypto, to give the details about the crypto. But dear viewers, if you see this will be international projection who's interested to invest into the crypto, because in India crypto is not have legally given and permissions to invest from like a from the stock market or something, but at another country it has been given. There is a cryptocurrencies investment, and they have a special, they are already listed into the Nasdaq, so it will be the international projections, and that's the reason we are launching our new channel. On 29th you will find one or two video based on crypto and our new segment with the new channel as a Crypto Blush, so where we will going to predict about weekly performance of crypto, their news about the cryptos, what are their upcomings, and what has happened in the past. And absolutely, dear viewers, we are going to give you good amount of scope how to invest into the crypto. That will be also available, but very soonly. That will be not with the part of Ridhvej Finance. It's just a mail. If you're really interested, or if you are wanted to invest into the crypto, you can message on that channel and we will upload it on 29th, everything about this. Why crypto we are going to talk? Because in India probably we are expecting in the budget of the February 2022, this topic is going to discuss in Indian budget according to us, as we expect from the government of India, because people's large number of youth are investing into crypto, and if you see you can't stop it, then government of India maybe legalize it or maybe not, because there is a decentralization of money is in that is a risk for everyone. So suddenly everything disappear and all, but it wouldn't happen, because according to us Nasdaq, if Nasdaq is already listed few crypto coins, then absolutely India has to do it, or India will do in the nearest future, as we expect from the government of India. Anyways, we are going to talk about HP Adhesive Limited, GMP, which we have predicted that has become so true. Exactly, our start meets with that HP Adhesive Limited GMP, and the share has performed within that bracket itself. And dear viewers, if you see, this company has not taken money from the banking sector, institutional investor, as a banks, insurance companies or mutual funds are not available in this company HP Adhesive Limited. As in bid report it has been mentioned, you can check out our previous video about the GMP prediction, where we have shown that means bank really show the zero. I don't know, first time it is the report of the bid which shows that bank has not shown the interest to invest, or they have not taken banking sectors to invest in their company. So HP Adhesive Limited having foreign institutional investors, and we are finding this company has is having a lot of scope into the market, because they are bidding with the Pidilite and other industries. So we are expecting the share target which we are going to predict it right now will be valid till February 2022. Why we gives everything all share target till February 2022? Because it is the budget time, and after budget we will launch our new share target for the same. So you can wait till the 2022 February. Dear viewers and investors, Ridhivej Finance give GMP prediction for HP Adhesive Limited IPO 2021, and in case suppose this company offer you discount offer, it can it can touch down towards 250 INR, and suppose this company show gives good returns on the day of listing, then it can touch up to 300 or maximum 330. So we are expecting this company, probably if they are putting their efforts, they can give you positive signal, but most probably they will offer you discount offer because their interest into the investment. Dear viewers, if you see HPADC, we given a discount offer, but this company doesn't give the discount offer for their investors because even the small company with the small size of IPO can do much better according to us, as we can see in this IPO. This is one of the best IPO we can say, which is might be expecting not lot of money from the market, but they are doing a great, as we can say, because it's not, they have not demotivated their investors while giving overvaluation of price band or anything. So that's the reason we can say we can give this company 5 out of 4.5 ratings as of now. And dear viewers, if you see, we have given the price bracket between 300 to 330, and this share has opened up to 315 rupees, and yes, this company has gone up until 330, which is our maximum GMP, and it has been achieved it by this company HP Adhesive Limited on the day of listing of IPO. So we are happy that our stat has exactly matched at least at the end of the year. So probably next time onwards we will give us a good stat as like this only, so our investors or viewers could not find anything which is giving the bands very difference with the bands 100 and 200 rupees discrepancies. So that's the reason here is exact point which is matched by this HP adhesive. Dear viewers, share target which will be valid till February 2022. We are predicting HP Adhesive Limited can, if it is gone down, it can touch up to 250 rupees INR, but probably it will not go downwards. We are expecting this company at least till the budget can show uptrend, and we are expecting this can touch up to 630 INR till the February ending 2022. So you can wait and watch. Might be we are wrong, might be we are right. Our stat may fail. We are not SEBI registered yet. We do not have a core analysis on the research. So that's the reason we are just predicting, not randomly, you can say, not randomly we can't say, because we are not SEBI registered. So we can say this is a randomly prediction. It can be fail also. So we are expecting this company gives good investors approach, and yes, HP Adhesive Limited will do well during upcoming years, and we will watch this share will be the multi-bagger for their investors. Hopefully, we are expecting from this company. It's not a lot, but they can do it according to us as we see their reports. So that's the reason, if you see their bid reports really well. Thank you by Ridhivej Finance. We will come back to you with probably we will not able to upload lot of surprises on 29th of December. Hardly we have 2 days only the day, because 31st was the last day of listing of this year. So we can't upload the video. So we will not make a false promises for everyone, and that's the reason we probably by the 31st ending of the year you will have one of the biggest video of this YouTube channel, and which, or it can be cut it into the part 1 and part 2, because that video is going to be the GMP analysis for the whole year 2021. And dear viewers, if you see, we have started accidentally GMP prediction on since MTAR has launched into the market. It was a challenge for us to prove it, not to the market, but yes, it is our ability to prove it into the world, across the world, we can say. And Nasdaq is a challenge which we have grabbed from the August, because we have a faith in our stat, and that's the reason. If you see our Nasdaq segment, in that case yesterday we have achieved upper trend, and yes, Nasdaq has recovering from the falls down. So that's the reason it has gives another peak level probably in the month of Jan, we can expect it. And yes, hopefully we will give the Nasdaq IPOs very soonly. We are expecting to do lot of pile up projects, but we have to concentrate on our something day-to-day regular life also. So that's the reason we are expecting this company HP Adhesive do well right now. And you can check out, hopefully this will comes true, we will upload another video. Wait and watch. Till the time, have a great weekend. Happy New Year to all of you, and dear viewers and investors. Hope 2022 will not give much hurdle as comparing as 2020 or 2021. So hopefully we are expecting our YouTube channel grow as much as possible, and we wish to all of us have a safe, healthy life on the year end and the year beginning at least. So we can expect, because we are not about what will happen in the future, we are predicting till February only 2022, because there is a lot of issues upcoming. And yes, we are expecting our YouTube channel grow very soonly. Hopefully it will also come true, we will get subscriber more than 1,000. Till today even we are not having 100, but but we are expecting, and we want qualitative people over quantity of people. If you like our channel, then only you can subscribe it. If you are interested to book the profit, you can subscribe our channel. And yes, absolutely, we wanted to show the crypto blush. And crypto is the youth or the people who's already existing into the market. They are really attracted towards crypto, so we are launching our new channel is Crypto Blush. So have a look around that. We will upload 2 to 3 videos only. We were expecting 50 videos should be uploaded on the single day, but it wouldn't happen, because we have to put a lot of research what exactly is going on into the crypto market, and all research probably might be failed. We don't give false promises. That's the reason you may have a maximum 3 video on 29th of December 2021. We are completing 1 year. And yes, this is the birthday of Riddhi Veg Finance, the day we have uploaded our first video. So hopefully you like our channel. Thumbs up if you like it. Have a great day, have a great weekend. Happy New Year. Not great weekend, Happy New Year. And yes, do the party and stay blessed. Have a great day. Bye bye.